Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, fine. Have you finished previous homework, previous class homework? Good. Did you purchase books? Okay, today onwards I am going to start our syllabus. So what is the first chapter? Let us revise. Actually, revision started in previous basics. I taught basics now. So the basics is nothing but revision only. Understood? Again I am going to revise the same. Let us revise. That is our first chapter. Understood? So everybody has to take your content book, workbook, classwork. Okay, are you ready with your books? Content book, workbook and classwork. Everybody is ready? Good. So draw margins in classwork. Don't use pen to draw the margins. Use pencil and scale. Okay, after completing one problem you have to draw a line. Maintain your classwork neatly and use pencil to write in textbook and workbook. Pen in classwork. Understood? You are going to start writing with pen in classwork. You can use pencil in, you have to use pencil in content book and workbook. So, in first chapter is let us revise. In today's topic, I am going to revise number names, standard forms, expanded forms and how to represent number on the abacus. So, already in previous classes, I taught number names, standard forms and expanded forms. Number names, standard forms, expanded forms. So, representing on abacus also I will teach today. Okay. So, I will start with, can you say any number? So, otherwise I will write a number on the board. So, what is that number? Number name. So, can you read that number? 4,000. 4,000. Next, 600. 621. Yes. 21. This is the number name. 4,621 is the number name. So what is the number name? 4,621. Is it right? Yes. So can you write the expanded form? Do you know the expanded form? Already we learned in previous class, no? So everybody know expanded form. So what is the expanded form? Once it is in, to write the expanded form, we can write the place values also. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So how many thousands are there? 4,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 1. 20 plus 1. 4,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 1. This is the expanded form. Can you represent this number on the abacus? Anybody can represent on the abacus? So to represent on the abacus, we have to draw abacus. So here how many place values are needed? Up to thousands. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. You can write these place values here also. Understood? Either down or up. You can write either down or up. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. How many thousands are there? How many thousands are there? 4. So write 4. Draw 4 beads on thousands. Next, how many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? Yes, 6. So we have to draw 6 beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many tens are there? 2 tens. So draw 2 beads. 1, 2. How many ones are there? Only 1 ones. So 1 bead in ones. It is nothing but 4,000. This is nothing but 4,621. So this is the number name. This is the expanded form, and this is nothing but representing on the abacus. Understood? Representing on the abacus. And standard form also I will explain. So in standard form, either I will give expanded form or number name, then you have to write the number. Understood? Standard form is nothing but I will give either number name or expanded form. You have to change it as a number. Have to write it as a number. Understood? So first, take out your class works. All of you take out your content book and class works. Enter practice zone 1. Write today's date. All of you write the date. And practice zone 1. First bit. Enter first bit in class work. Write the number names of the following numbers. Write neatly. Write the number names of the following numbers. Number names of the following numbers. Number names of the following numbers. So first one is 1007. So what is the number name of this number? Do you know? Can you read this number? What is the number name? Yes, it is nothing but 1007. 1007. Right. So similarly complete these remaining 3. 5, 3, 6, 4. Complete it fast, children. What is the number name? Yes, very good. 5,000. 5,300. 364. 364. Very good. Complete remaining 2 also. 7863. So what is the number name? What is the number name? 7,000. Right? 7,000. 7,863. Very good. 7,863. 7,863. And next, this is 9,999. So can you say any speciality of this number? Yes, it is a largest 4-digit number. So this is nothing but 9,999. Good. 9,999. transfer neatly. And write next bit. You can write second bit in your textbook also. So no need to write in classwork. Second bit you can do in textbook. Okay. Here number names are given. Write the numbers for the following number names. Number names are given. You have to write the numbers in second bit. Write the numbers for the following number names. Here number names are there. So first one, in second bit, first one, 1306. So what is the number name? 1306. 306. So this is the number name. We have to write the number. So to number, we have to write the number. So to write the number first we have to write the place values. So what are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Why we are writing up to thousands? Because here up to thousands only are there. How many thousands are there? How many thousands are there? 1000. So we have to write 1 under thousands place. How many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there? 300. So 3 under hundreds place. How many tens are there? There is no tens. So what we should write? 0. 0 under tens place and 6 under ones place. Okay. So go for next question. B1, 5555. 5555. So 5555, you have to write the number. So to write the number, first place values we have to write. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. How many thousands are there? 5000. So 5 under thousands place. Next, how many hundreds are there? 5. So 5 under hundreds place. Yes. How many tens are there? 50 is nothing but 5 tens. 5 tens are 50 now. So 50 is nothing but 5 tens. So 5 under tens place. And how many ones are there? 5 ones. It is nothing but 5555. Similarly, go for third one. C1. I am now writing the number name. So place values same. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Up to thousands we have to write. How many thousands are there? How many thousands are there? 3000. So write 3 under thousands place. Next, how many hundreds are there? How many hundreds are there in that? No hundreds. So what we should write? 0 in hundreds place. How many tens are there? 80 is nothing but 8 tens. So 18 tens place and 6 in ones place. So can I write the number name also? Okay. So for next question I will write number name also. 7000. 7211. 7211. So 7,000. How many thousands? How many thousands are there? 7,000. How many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds. So 7 we should write under thousands, and 2 we should write under hundreds. 11. 11 is nothing but 1, 10 and 1 ones. So we should write 1 under tens place and 1 under ones place. This is nothing but 11. Understood? So more 2 questions are there. Even 4,809. 809. This is the number name. So we have to write the number. For that, place values: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. How many thousands are there? 4,000. So 4. How many hundreds are there? 8. How many tens are there? No tens. So 0 in tens place and 9 in ones place. And next, last one, 8,007. 8,007. 8,007. So same method you have to follow. First write the place values: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. How many thousands are there? 8,000s. How many hundreds are there? No hundreds. How many tens are there? No tens. So 0. How many ones are there? 7. Is it 8,007? Yes. Understood? So we learn number names. If they are given number, how to write the number name. If they are given number name, how to write the number. So both completed. Now we are going to learn representing on abacus. Understood? So open practice zone 2. Practice zone 2. Represent the following numbers on the abacus. Also write their expanded forms. Understood? So we should represent these numbers on abacus and also write the expanded form. Practice zone 2. Write practice zone 2 in class work. Represent the following numbers on the abacus. On the abacus. Also write the expanded form. Also write their expanded form. So first one, 4,508. So this is the number. So we should represent this number on abacus, and also we have to write the expanded form. To represent an abacus, we have to draw abacus. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and thousands place. Understood? So ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. How many thousands are there here? How many thousands how many ones are there? 8 ones. So how many beads we should draw? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the representation on abacus. And we have to write the expanded form also. Expanded form. So we have to write the expanded form also. So to write the expanded form, first write a number. Write the given number 4508. So what is the expanded form? 4000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 8. This is the expanded form. Similarly, complete remaining two. Complete remaining two. Second one, 6781. Okay. So draw abacus. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Write fast. 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 hundreds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many tens? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. How many ones are there? Only one. Ones. Okay. Now we have to write the expanded form. Expanded form. To write the expanded form, first write the number 6781. So this is nothing but 6000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 1. This is the expanded form. Okay. So are you finished these two? So will you do one more sum? To the last one, 9008. Third one is 9008. So represent this 9008 on abacus. So represent on abacus. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Now represent it on abacus. How many thousands are there? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many hundreds are there? No hundreds. How many tens are there? No tens. So leave these two. How many ones are there? 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So this is 9008. And the expanded form is expanded form. So expanded form 9008 is equal to, so what is the expanded form? 9000 plus 0 hundreds now. So write 0 in hundreds, 0 tens are there. So write 0 in tens and 8 ones are there. So it is nothing but 8. So this is the representation on abacus and expanded form. So everybody finished 3 sums, and I am going to explain about your homework. All of you open your worksheet. Use pencil in worksheet. In worksheet page number 5. What are the numbers for the given number names? Here number names are given. You have to write the numbers. Understood? You have to write the numbers. And next, write the number names of the given numbers. In page number 5, numbers are given and space also given to write the number names. So numbers are given. You have to write the number names in second bit. And turn the paper. So more 5 questions are given in sixth page also. Numbers are given, how to write the number names. And go for next third bit. In third bit, expanded form. Here number is given, how to write the expanded form. Understood? You have to write the expanded form. And fourth bit, expanded forms are given. You have to write the standard forms. And not taught any sum in this model now. So I will explain one sum. 2000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 6. So this is the expanded form. You have to write the standard form for that. So to write the standard form, your wish, you can write either place values or without writing place values also you can write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. If you want to write place values, you can write. Otherwise, you can write directly. Here, how many thousands are there? 2. So write under 2. Write 2 under thousands. Next, 700s now. So 7 under hundreds. And how many tens are there? 8 tens. So write 8 under tens. And how many ones are there? 6 ones. So write 6 under ones. So what is the standard form? What is the standard form of this expanded form? 2786. So understood how to write the standard form for given expanded form? Okay. So today's homework is in page number 5. In page number 5, first bit and second bit, and page number 6, third bit, fourth bit. Second bit given in 5th page and 6th page also. You have to complete all the sums. So checkpoint 1, 2, 3, 4 from your worksheet. Understood? So I am writing homework questions on the board. So copy that. Homework. Page number 5.